Manipur Inner Lok Sabha MP Bimol has urged central government to ensure free movement along Manipur's national highways during the parliament's zero hour. The MP urged the central government to clear the blockade which is imposed at National Highway 37 and National Highway 2. He added that the blockade along both the highways, which is considered a lifeline for the state, has severely affected the public, including price rise in every item, and cost of traveling is also increased. MP Bimol further urged the government to take relevant action against those involved in imposing the blockade.
In our country has been the site of illegal taxation by all kinds of armed groups for many years. Cement bag, which is available for 300 or 350, barely 200 kilometers away in Dimapur, sold in Imphal around 700, 800 rupees. So it has affected the economy and it has been a decades-old problem, but things have become serious with the ongoing crisis. Some people are holding the citizens of the state to ransom in the name of separate administration. They have been trying to object the free movement of population on these highways. They have also resisted to the idea of resettlement of people in their original homes, and this has been going on from the day one. And I would like to draw the attention of this House that people are suffering because of this, which is a tacit support of the government. It seems that you have been partitioning people on communal lines. People in Churachampura traveling, for instance, 300 plus kilometers to travel to catch a flight from Aizol rather than going to Imphal, which is barely 50 kilometers. And people from Imphal cannot afford flight. They have to, all of them have been using flight to go to Guwahati or Kolkata. This inconvenience has been going on. And I think I would recommend and appreciate the move of the governor to open these highways, but it seems that he has buckled down under pressure from these communal forces, which is positioning the so-called separate administration as an issue to justify this deprivation of basic human rights of the citizens, that of Article 19, free movement, and that of Article 21, right to life, which also includes right to livelihood. And I think so the government must take firm action to clear these roads and allow free movement of citizens in the state.